Okay, in this video we will see the definition of law. In previous video I told you the meaning of law. What I told? A law is a system of rules that everybody in the society must obey. Clear? Now, what is the definition? Law is that portion of established rules backed by the authority and power of the गवर्नमेंट. ओके बेटा, जो लॉ है दैट इज बैक्ड बाय और imposed by authority and power of the government. Clear? We will understand it through this details. In ancient time, when men started to lead a settled life, certain rules and norms of good living were formed so that all people in the settlement could lead a good life. In fact, many of the customs, traditions, and religious observances were in the form of ancient rules. As the size of the society increased to form kingdoms and countries, these rules took the form of laws. Okay, beta? In your previous class, you studied the development of human race. Earlier we were herders and gradually we became the human being. Although we were human being earlier, but after that we learn systematic manner, how to lead a life in systematic manner. ठीक है बेटा, स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग हंटर गैदरर थे, शिकार करते थे. फिर जैसे जैसे हम लोगों ने ग्रोथ करना शुरू किया, सोसाइटी बनना शुरू हुई, किंगडम एस्टेब्लिश हुए, उस समय कुछ रूल्स बनाए गए. एंड विद द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सिविलाइजेशन, वो दैट रूल्स बिकेम लॉ. ओके, इन द बिगिनिंग द रूलर्स विश वॉज द लॉ. His word was the law. Thus, the law changed very frequently whenever there was a change in the ruler, because every new ruler changed the law according to his thinking. Yes, it is also very true when there was a monarchy system. At that time, there were no written laws. ठीक है, उस समय written law नहीं होते थे. Whosoever is the king, whatever he is saying, दैट बिकम द लॉ. राजा जो भी डिसीजन दे देते थे वो लॉ बन जाता था. इसीलिए विद द चेंज ऑफ रूलर ऑल द रूल्स आर चेंज्ड. व्हेन इन द एंशिएंट टाइम, व्हेन वी हैड मोनार्की सिस्टम. ओके, दिस ऑफन रिजल्टेड इन रेडिकल चेंज in the society. However, it created a lot of problems. This was the reason that certain rulers started to get the law written down, and which it was mandatory for all the rulers to follow. Okay, and after some time, what rulers did, they have started getting the rules written. Okay, so that all the ruler will follow the same rules. Clear beta?